How to create a blog. Today, create a blog is easy like getting air in this world. What we need to start a blog. We need to get a domain name and hosting. Domain name is the address for your website or blog. Example, google.com, facebook.com, blogger.com. This domain name let people find you easily. Without domain name, people need to use IP address. This is more complicated to use. So we need to get a domain name for our blog. Then people can easily remember your domain name rather than IP address. We will guide you step by step to get a domain and hosting for start. Create your own blog. What is hosting? We need hosting for store our website file on the server, then people can find your website or blog. Just key in yourname.com, go to our website. Hosting is important for all online site. Without hosting, nothing you will get on the internet. I will guide you to get a hosting, then we can start create our blog. Just few click only. You not need to know any coding knowledge at all, 7-year-old kid also can do it. Now we go to register our domain. We go to vitacloud.com. Vita Cloud is providing domain register and web hosting or cloud service. Their web cloud service plan is affordable hosting for anyone who want to start their online business, create website, online store, blogging, and more. You can get the link at the discretion. Click on the link will bring you to Vita Cloud. Recommend you take business plan. Here you can see the price charger per month. Unlimited website. 20 GB web space. 60 GB bandwidth. Free domain for 2-year or 3-year subscribe. You can install unlimited WordPress or other website builder as you like. You can saw that all check for business plan. Here we can saw the 36-month subscribe price. For the basic just $1.49 only, business plan is $4.99 per month. I choice business plan for my site. Click on the order now button. Then will bring us to the domain register page. I will register my new domain. If you already have your domain, you can use your domain name. My new domain name is fixtabiz.com. Click check. Here we can saw that domain is available. Add to my cart. Then click continues. Now, we are bring to web cloud plan that I choose. Here are some description about the web cloud business plan. If I choose make payment, then the cost is $16.99. Click on the price here. You can saw a list for the subscribe price plan. I chose the triennially here. We can look at the price. Now is change $179.64 for business plan. You can choose the price plan suitable for you. Click continues. Just click continues. Now we are at the checkout page. Here we can saw the price $179.64 used. The domain name register is free for the first year. Vita Cloud provide me a discount $36 use code for triennially purchase. I key in my promote code, GIFT36, and click the apply. I will share the promote code below the description. If you also purchase business plan triennially, will get 36 use discount too. Here you can saw the cost I need to pay is changed to $143.64 used. Now we division 36 month. The price per month or business plan just cost $3.99. This is why I recommend you choose business plan. We continues to process the order. Click on the checkout button. We need to fill in our information to finish the process. Please fill in your correct info. The most important is your valid email, and remember to fill in the strong password. When you finish, fill in your details. Click on complete order, then go to PayPal, make the payment. After that we can start to create our blog. We use WordPress for create blog. What is WordPress? WordPress is the simplest, most popular way to create your own website or blog. In fact, WordPress powers over 40.0% of all the websites on the internet. More than 1 in 4 websites that you visit are likely powered by WordPress. WordPress.org, often called self-hosted WordPress, is the free, open-source WordPress software that you can install on your own web host to create a website that's 100% your own. WordPress.com is a for-profit, paid service that is powered by the WordPress.org software. It's simple to use, but you lose much of the flexibility of the self-hosted WordPress. Now we go to create our blog. Log into your email. You will receive an email from Vita Cloud. The email title is New Account Information. Keep this email safe. Inside this email have all your cloud hosting login detail. Here you can saw that login detail. Have login ID. Login password. 2 link to your web cloud control panel. 1 is IP address. Other is the domain name I registered just now. Click the domain name link to log in. Go back to my email. Copy my login password. My username is fixedtopiz. Paste my password. Then click on Login. Now we are logged into our control panel. If you are new here, there are many functions you see. Please don't worry. You can take time to learn how to use those functions. Let's install WordPress first. Scroll down to the WordPress icon. Click on it. Now we at the WordPress install page. Click the Install Now button. Here we need to fill in our blog info. The top one is WordPress latest version. I want my blog install on my main domain. I need to delete the WP in the directory. Now, I want to change my site name. I change it to Fixedtopiz blog. The description. I simply write short descript computer technologic blog. Here we can use our own username and password. I want to change the username to Fixta. The password I use the generate strong password. Please save the username and password for next time you want to log in WordPress. Scroll down to the bottom. Below the install button. Here you can put your email address. Your WordPress login detail will send to your email. After click install, will take few seconds to process. When we saw this page, our WordPress was success install. Here we can get 2 link. One is our blog install link. The second one is WordPress dashboard link. We go to take a look, how is the blog look like? This is the blog outlook. Is a simple design provided by WordPress. You can saw the site name was show up here. Below is the description I just added on the fill in detail section. The second link will bring us to the WordPress platform. We can do many things inside here. First we go look at the left sidebar. Here we have a dashboard. Home and updates under dashboard. Second we have posts, here we can post our article. Coming down we got media, this is the place for us to store our website or blog photo and video. Next is pages, this is section for use to create a home page, about page, pricing page, contact us page and more. Here is comments. This is the blog post visitor comments control section, you can approve or delete the comment here. This appearance important, our blog design is installed under this section. Here have themes, customize, widgets, menus, background and theme editor. Later I will show you how to get a nice theme for your blog. Next is plugins. This is super powerful tool in WordPress. You can install any function to your website or blog. Example, your blog is famous now. You want to sell your product at your blog, but your blog don't have any e-store facility. The plugin can get you an e-commerce store just few click than your blog having an e-store to sell any product you like. There was many tool in the plugin. You need to take some time play around this part. Coming down is users. This is the site user control, you can add new user or delete it here. Go to tools. This we more apply on moving your blog to other server, you export your WordPress content include the design, and upload to your new server, or you can import your blog from your old server to new. The last one is setting. Here you can edit all the website or blog title, description, time, and more. I will show you the important part to get your blog can run now. For those other tool we know use the blog, I will skip. We now go to create our blog content. Click on the post here. We can find all our article in this section. Here we can saw the welcome message post. We click on the add new button. Here is the place for us to post our article. At the having some tool. Add block. Modes. Undo. Redo. Detail. And outline. Here is add article title. Bottom this line is place to put your article. I will show you how to post article here. I already prepare my article on MS Word. I copy my title and then paste it into the title section. Continues to copy my article. Go back to my MS Word. Paste it into here. Click on Categories. We give this article a new categories. I will create a new category, name it as Printer. Now, we add tag for this blog post. You can need to put tag for all your blog post. This will help your blog post easily rank top on the search engine. I key in the keyword printer and DTG printer. This will make search engine recognize your blog post is really talk about printer, that will give your post rank higher on DTG printer. I want to add some image. We can go to add button here. Choose the add image. Click on it. Click on upload. Here is my image for this blog post. We also can use the add button here to add other functions. I wanted to put a top image at here, so add another printer image. I was success upload image just like that. You know why I recommend use WordPress, cause is really easy to use. I click on upload, cause I just now already publish. If you not yet publish, click publish your post I ready to view. I want to see how what my blog post look like. Click on view post. Here is the post I just create. Nice and clean. Go back to post. I kept adding new post. Same process the first post I create. I will jump to the all post I already finish added. Okay. I already finished post all my article. Here is 12 article I just post to my blog. Let go. We take a look how was my blog look like. Here is my blog page. All my blog post was showing on my blog now. I want to delete the hello world post. Just click on the trash. Now, we go to appearance. Here we can choose design for our blog. Click on add new. Here we can get many type of design. Some design need to pay. Some design is free. You need to spend some time to choose the design right for your blog. Okay, I found the design I want to use for my blog. I choose this shiny blog. Click on Install. Look like this design is simple and nice. Click on Install at the top here. And then click on Active. The new design was success installed to my theme store. We go to take a look how was the design apply to my blog. The blog title was changed to my. See the below article. All is that article I just post. On the right hand side, we can saw our categories. This blog was success create. I want to change the banner. We go back to the appearance. Click on the customize. We can change the theme color we like it here. Here we can edit the header image. I want to upload my own header design. Click Save and our header will change. I click on refresh, then we will saw our new header design. Now this blog is unique design. This blog create is every easy. If really don't know to create your own blog, you can ask Vita Cloud support to help you install WordPress. Their support is very nice and good to help. Don't just spend your time watching no action. Start your blog now. See you on the next video.